Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED notifications on your Lenovo Legion. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now write the following sentence: notify body, and hit the search button. From here find the app that looks like this and select install button. When the installation process is done, we can open the app and instantly move to the next step. So from here you will need to grant these permissions to the app. So first one will be notification permission, and just press on it, locate notify body and enable it. Now go back to the app and select this. Just do the same thing with the second option. Now the third option is to disable battery optimization, but it's totally optional. You don't need to do it. Do it only in case the app doesn't work properly. Now move to the next step and press OK to start using the app. And from here you can see the 4 tabs in the down here like this, and they are as follow: user, system, active and settings. In user, you can pick the apps that you have installed on your phone and to receive the notifications in form of the LED from them. So I will enable Messenger. In the system you can find the apps as well, but they are more strict to the system, like Google Chrome or any of this like camera. I'm gonna pick Google Chrome for this. The next tab is active, and from here you can see all active tabs that you will receive the notifications from. And the last tab is settings, where you can customize your LED, like its size, shape or position on the screen, or even the time between blinks and how long it stays on your screen. But some of the settings are locked behind the premium version. So now to actually see how our LED will look like, we can press on the test button and we can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.